think you're getting up there, pal?
Winter's first bite has settled across large parts of the United Kingdom as icy air masses from the north press down and wintry showers push inland.
Over here is horrible. This is the color.
Overnight into today, many regions saw rain turning to sleet and on higher ground, genuine snow, with accumulations of 1 to 5 centimeters in places above 200 to 300 meters. Temperatures are widely falling below zero, and untreated roads, pavements, and cycleways are now masked with a sheen of ice. The National Forecaster has issued yellow warnings covering Scotland, Wales, Northern England, and parts of the Midlands, flagging the hazards of icy patches and some snow for the following 24 hours.
Gorgeous snow.
Transportation networks have already begun to feel the impact. Roads that weave through hilly terrain and higher level routes are reporting patches of slush and snow-covered surfaces, and some low-traffic rural lanes are being treated only in response to the developing conditions. On foot or by bike, city commuters are advised to use pavements along main roads, which are more likely to have been treated, and slow on corners and slopes where thaw and freeze cycles are already turning surfaces treacherous. Rail services and local buses are advising travelers to check timetables. While no major shutdowns have been declared yet, delays are likely in more exposed or higher altitude stretches. In the Highlands and other elevated zones, snow showers are more persistent. In such areas, the cold northerly airflow is powerful enough to drop temperatures into the -5 degrees Celsius to -7 degrees Celsius range overnight, particularly in exposed uplands. That drop follows only days after comparatively mild spells, meaning the ground is still partially saturated, and the sudden freeze is catching many surfaces unprotected. In the northernmost parts of Scotland, those upland areas might expect small drifts to form during persistent squalls, though nothing yet on the scale of deep snow events. For everyday travelers, the message is simple. Treat all darkened surfaces with caution. Allow extra time for your journey. And be especially alert around dawn when frost tends to be deepest. If you are driving, make sure tires are properly inflated, carry an ice scraper or de-icers, and consider having warm clothes, a blanket, a torch, and some food and water in the car in case of delays. On foot, good non-slip footwear and walking slower than usual will reduce the risk of slips or falls. Parents and schools in more exposed districts are already evaluating whether start times or drop-off plans require adjustment to keep pupils safe during icy arrivals. In terms of timing, the snow risk is already greatest overnight and into early tomorrow morning. After that, temperatures should gradually creep upward, helping any settled snow to thaw, but also raising the possibility of slush and increased water on roads once melt begins. In short, the danger does not vanish simply because the snow yield is modest. Ice, slush, and sudden refreeze remain the prime hazards. Across the UK, the message is clear. Winter is here. If you treat today's showers as a simple drizzle, you will be caught off guard. If you treat them as the opening move of the season, you will stay safe and keep your commute and routine moving smoothly.